This is Scott the Fix-It Guy. Our goal with our videos is to empower you to be able to do the repairs on your own and save a whole lot of money and also get that great feeling of having fixed it by yourself.
This is a Samsung washer that had a DE error. So you'd say DE when you start it, means door error. And I did replace the door lock, which is pretty easy to do and seemed to work, but then had trouble later, and it looks like this piece, which goes in here, pretty loose. So we're going to tighten it up and see if that's going to help. These are just Phillips head screws. Alright, let's see what happens if we start it. Seems to be okay. Let's try it a couple times. Off. Turn it back on. You can hear the two clicks. So it did work. Try it again. Turn it off. Back on. That means you can open it. So we got this tighter. That might have been the problem. Close it. Start it. Heard a click. Lock light comes on. Goes off. Goes back on. And it starts. So I think it's okay. Just a loose latch. The other thing that can go wrong that's unusual though is that the controller has a relay circuit that sends power down to make that lock work. And if that relay is broken or stuck, it won't work. You'll get a DE error, and then you have to replace the controller, which is kind of expensive. But I would check first those hinges. Let me see if I can unlock it again. Turn it off. Turn it back on. Here to unlock. I would check these Phillips head screws first. Make sure they're really tight so there's no wobble. Get these guys tight, and it's probably going to fix it. If not, to do this door lock right here. It's very inexpensive and easy to do. And this is on a Samsung WF210ANW/XAA01. So I press start, get the lock button, unlock light. It's going to lock again, and then it should progress. Yeah, so tested it 4 times. It's good.
Thanks so much for watching our video. We really appreciate your support. And when you get a chance, please press the subscribe button below so you can be subscribed, and also the notification bell so we can send you more videos about appliance repair. Please also give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. If you really liked the video and it really helped you, please press this new applaud button and you can show your support and also get a nice clapping hands for your video. Thanks again.